Hello guys, welcome to the session What is CSS? So in this session we are going to learn about what actually CSS is and why we are using CSS. So CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. CSS mainly used for presentation of HTML. So you might have gone through my previous course, that is course 1, where we have learned about HTML and where we have designed some HTML document, and those web pages were not looking very good. There was no such designs. So now this is where the CSS comes into the picture, where we will use to beautify the HTML pages or say HTML document to make it more presentable with the help of CSS. So basically CSS grabs all the content of HTML and fits the content within the web pages as per your requirement. One thing I wanted to point it over here is that CSS is constantly changing. So current version is CSS3. If I am telling you CSS, that means it is representing CSS3, that is a version of CSS, and CSS3 go well with HTML5, which we have learned in our last course. So let's jump into a website where I can show you what the effect it brings. That means what the styling it brings to the HTML pages to that particular website. So we are in one of the famous website, that is a Twitter, and you will find that there are lots of design elements. You can find it over here, like the icon, this bird icon over here, the font, the color, this button. We have different colors over here. So this is all is coming from CSS. To prove you the point, this styles is coming from the CSS. Let's go into the developer tool, which you will go through by pressing F12 key. So let's press it, F12. So once you open the developer tool, then you will find over here that we are having all these options available, and where you can check that how this structure is coming over here. So you will find that the background color is white. If you are changing anything, so it will affect currently into this page. So CSS is being applied over here, so just change it. The moment you will change it, and you will find it over here, it changed the color. See here, this you can check locally. It will not apply. Once you refresh it, it will take it back. So all these are coming from the CSS. All these styles, you can see that body margin, background color. So the point I wanted to prove it over here is that the all style is coming from the CSS. If you refresh it now, then it will take it back again, and it will take the CSS which is being applied from the Twitter side. But you can check that what styling is being applied through CSS. So CSS is really very important for front-end development of the web pages. So this is one of the skills you must have to master, especially when your website is serving to the different screens like mobile, tablet, desktop. This is where we require to design some responsive design with the help of using CSS. So this is the area where you must have to be good to become a full stack developer. So this is what this course is for, teach you the CSS3 from scratch so that you can build the solid foundation on CSS3, and that will give you the stepping stone to become a full stack developer. So make sure that you are going to learn this course from end to end. You can learn with your own pace. So this is what I wanted to show you in this session. See you in the next session. Till then, bye bye, take care.